Let's try to remove lip smacks, pops and clicks in the audio, but this won't be just a regular tutorial where I will show you how to remove it. But apart from that, I will also show you which plugins will do the right job for you. So today we are going to compare three of the most used plugins in iZotope RX. First one is declick, the other one is mouth declick, and the last one is decrackle. So let's look at them one by one. Here I will quickly play the audio for you so you can know what's going on.
Written by Audrey Pfeiffer and Andrew Maragos. Written by Audrey Pfeiffer and Andrew Maragos.
This is one of the audiobook that I'm currently working, and my goal is to remove the lip smacks and few clicks which are here and there. So let's see if we can do it and which one among all three plugins is more effective. First, let's take the advantage of our spectrogram that we are offered by iZotope. As you can see in the selected area, we can easily spot few clicks here and there. They are not much prominent since they are not bright enough and they have low amplitude. So I am guessing we can easily remove them with the help of the plugins. Most of the clicks and smacks are especially from 3K till the end, as we can see from the spectrogram. Let me play the part from which we are going to remove all the lip smacks and clicks and the crackles, everything. And as we already know, all of the three plugins are designed to remove the clicks, although they have a bit difference if you look it in a much detailed way. So let's start with D-click now. Since the clicks are here and there, let's select multi-band random clicks. Try to go for higher frequency skew if your audio has higher frequency. I'm keeping it as it is, let's say about zero point 0.5 or something. Keep widening about 2 here, and between 4 to 5 will be the sensitivity. Let's keep it till 4 now. Let's render it. Before, after. So you can see most of the clicks and the lip smacks have been gone. Now let's take mouth declick. Keep the click widening till 1 to 1.5. Let's keep the frequency as it is. Let's try to keep the sensitivity around 2.5. Now let's render it. Before, after. You can see the clicks have been reduced, but the lip smack is still there. It is not completely removed. For the video sake, let's increase the sensitivity and we can increase the frequency skew. Now let's render it. Before, after. So even after this, the lip smack has not been removed completely. Now let's go for decrackle. Usually I keep the quality high as it will give me the best possible rendering result. Let's keep high amplitude skew and increase the strength. Let's render it. Before, after. As you can see, most of the clicks have been gone. The amplitude of the lip smack has been significantly reduced. If you want to go for extreme result, slide the strength to the extreme, and now let's render it again. Before, after. Okay, so it gives us the clean result, but it leaves us with a space of digital mush because it has reduced all of the high frequencies and the quality has been a bit reduced. But with that being said, we went for extreme results though. So for this particular audio and in this particular case, we saw that D-click gave us the best and the clean result. Then comes D-crackle. It did a good job. However, when we ran our audio through mouth D-click, it failed to remove lip smack and click. But you can try messing with the settings of the mouth D-click and let me know if you can get good results, because sometimes even I get a good result, but unfortunately in this case it did not work, so we had to reach for other plugins. All I am trying to say that these are the different tools that are given to us, and if we use them carefully and precisely, I think we can get the best results. Be it D-click or mouse D-click or D-crackle, use them wisely and use where they are supposed to be, and you will be good to go. Let me know in the comments which one works for you for the most of the time.